The South Korean rapper Sikke has been given a 10-month jail sentence, but he won't go to prison right away. This is called a suspended sentence, and in his case, it is for 2 years. This means if he stays out of trouble for the next 2 years, he won't have to serve the 10 months in jail. This happened because he turned himself in to the police for using illegal drugs. This decision was made by Seoul Court on April 30, 2025. Sikke was charged with breaking the drug laws after he admitted using marijuana, ketamine and ecstasy, also known as MDMA. Besides the suspended prison time, the court also said he has to be on probation, where he is supervised by the authority and go to 40 hours of classes to help prevent him from using drugs again. The judge also said that this was a serious case because Sikke used different kinds of drugs multiple times. The judge also pointed out that he has a past record and that as a famous person, he has an influence on others, which made things worse. However, the court also took some things into account that made his sentence lighter. They noted that Sikke is truly sorry for what he did, promised not to use drugs again, and has strong support from people around him. They also considered that he turned himself in and admitted to using marijuana. According to the prosecutors, Sikke used ketamine and ecstasy in early October 2023. Interestingly, back in January 2023, he walked up to a police officer and asked if it was the police station before confessing that he had used drugs. After the police investigation, Sikke was officially charged in June 2023, but he wasn't held in jail at that time. The prosecutors had originally wanted him to go to prison for 3.5 years. Now he will only potentially serve 10 months. This case has gotten a lot of attention because Sikke is a popular hip-hop artist in Korea and because he surprisingly decided to confess to his drug use himself.